Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I bring you a very short Thanksgiving design tutorial. This year I wanted to do something a little more different than what I've done in the past. So and I remember having this beautiful lace image that kind of reminded me of the tail of the turkey. So that's what inspired this mani. I hope it inspired you to do something different, and I think the colors are different than what the traditional Thanksgiving design will be as well. I hope you guys like it. And in the spirit of giving thanks, I want to take the time to thank every single one of you guys for your support, for your comments, for your friendship. I love y'all. I love being here. I love meeting new people, new subscribers, and I'm glad that you're here taking advantage of learning new things, learning about nail art, and taking advantage of things that we review, such as the good deals that I present to you. So I truly appreciate you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy it and have a very happy Thanksgiving, happy and safe, and eat a lot of turkey. If you guys have any questions about this design, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer it. Now I'll leave you with the rest of the tutorial. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.